Ever pondered about the engine that powers our solar system? Our solar system's powerhouse, the Sun, is a colossal, fiery ball of gas, over 100 times the size of Earth. Its immense heat and light are the result of a relentless process known as nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. This energy is so vast, it fuels life on our planet, from the smallest plankton to the largest blue whale. It warms our oceans, drives our weather, and powers photosynthesis, the process that allows plants to convert sunlight into food. Peek beneath the Sun's blazing surface, and you'll find an intricate structure. From its core, where the nuclear fusion happens, to its outermost layer, the corona, each part plays a critical role in keeping our solar system energized. So the Sun isn't just a bright spot in the sky, it's the life-giving engine of our solar system. Ever wondered what our planetary neighbors are like? Well, let's begin with the closest to the Sun, Mercury. It's the smallest of the inner planets, roughly a third of the size of Earth. Composed primarily of iron and silicate rocks, Mercury has a surface that's scarred with craters, much like our Moon. Its proximity to the Sun gives it the shortest orbit, whipping around in just 88 Earth days. Next up is Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size. But that's where the similarities end. Venus is shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. This greenhouse effect makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Now, let's talk about our home, Earth. The third rock from the Sun, and the only known planet to support life as we know it. Earth's unique position, known as the Goldilocks zone, is just right for water to exist in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas. This, combined with a protective atmosphere and a magnetic field, creates the perfect conditions for life to thrive. Last, but certainly not least, is Mars. Often referred to as the red planet due to its iron oxide or rust coating. Mars is about half the size of Earth and has the tallest volcano and the deepest canyon in our solar system. Despite its barren appearance, Mars holds the promise of life, with evidence of past water flows and a thin atmosphere. Between their varying sizes, compositions, and features, these rocky worlds tell a story of diversity and contrast. From the scorched surface of Mercury to the potential life-harboring conditions on Mars, each planet holds its own unique set of characteristics and mysteries. As we can see, our neighboring planets are as diverse as they are fascinating. What do you think lies between Mars and Jupiter? It's not an empty void, but a bustling region of space known as the asteroid belt. Consider it the cosmic equivalent of a crowded marketplace, with asteroids of various sizes and compositions jostling for space. This belt is primarily composed of rocky, metallic objects with sizes ranging from small boulders to objects hundreds of kilometers in diameter. Think of it like a cosmic shooting gallery peppered with millions of targets. But these asteroids are not just space debris. They are like time capsules, holding vital clues about the early solar system. By studying these celestial bodies, scientists can piece together the solar system's history, understanding the processes that led to the formation of planets and moons. The asteroid belt is not just a space obstacle course, it's a scientific goldmine. The asteroid belt serves as a kind of cosmic shooting range, a testament to our solar system's turbulent past. Ready to venture into the outer realms of our solar system? Let's embark on a journey to the realm of the gas giants and ice giants, where the planets are larger, colder, and more mysterious. Firstly, we come across Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant, a term that refers to its composition primarily of hydrogen and helium, similar to our Sun. Its most distinguishing feature is the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself, raging on for at least 300 years. Jupiter is also home to a staggering number of moons, with 79 confirmed so far. Next, we encounter Saturn, the second largest planet, renowned for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. This planet boasts an impressive array of moons, with a current count of 82. As we travel farther, we reach the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Unlike gas giants, ice giants are composed largely of heavier, volatile substances like water, ammonia, and methane, hence the name ice. Uranus, the pale blue planet, is tilted on its side, possibly due to a colossal collision in its past. It has 27 known moons. Lastly, we approach Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. It's a dark, cold and windy world, with the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 1,500 miles per hour. Neptune has 14 moons, the most famous being Triton, which orbits in the opposite direction to Neptune's rotation. These outer planets, with their vast sizes and numerous moons, serve as a stark reminder of the solar system's immense scale. They're a testament to the diversity and grandeur of the celestial bodies that orbit our Sun. Each one holds its own mysteries, waiting for us to uncover as we continue our exploration of the cosmos. The outer planets, with their vast sizes and numerous moons, remind us of the solar system's immense scale. What lies beyond Neptune, at the edge of our solar system? The answer is a realm of icy bodies and cosmic mysteries, where Pluto, the erstwhile 9th planet, now resides as a proud dwarf planet. Pluto, once considered the outermost planet of our solar system, was reclassified as a dwarf planet in the year 2006. This classification was not a demotion, but a recognition of the fact that our solar system is far more diverse and complex than we previously thought. Pluto is part of the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune that is home to countless icy bodies. Named after the astronomer Gerard Kuiper, this belt is like a frozen archive of the early solar system. The objects within it, including Pluto, are composed largely of rock and ice, remnants of the primordial soup from which the planets formed. Some of these icy bodies even have moons of their own, similar to Pluto's moon, Charon. The Kuiper Belt is not the end of the story, though. Far beyond it lies another, even more distant region, the Oort cloud. This theoretical cloud of icy bodies is thought to extend almost a light year from the Sun. That's about 1/4 of the distance to our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. The significance of the Oort cloud cannot be overstated. It's considered the birthplace of many of the comets that we see in our night sky. When these icy bodies get disturbed by the gravitational pull of nearby stars or the galactic tide, they plunge into the inner solar system, becoming the spectacular comets we observe. The Oort cloud is like a deep freeze, preserving these icy bodies for billions of years. It's a cosmic time capsule holding clues about the early solar system and possibly about the origin of life itself. Beyond the planets, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud are the final frontier of our solar system. They remind us that our home in the cosmos is not just a collection of planets and moons, but a complex system of diverse objects, each with its own story to tell. So, what does this journey through our solar system tell us? It reveals to us a universe that is far grander and more incredible than we could have ever imagined. Our journey has taken us from the fiery heart of our solar system, the Sun, to the rocky worlds close to its warmth, through the cosmic shooting range of the asteroid belt, to the gas and ice giants in their majestic orbits, and finally to the icy, distant realms of the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. Each step of the way, we've discovered a universe that is both vast and diverse. Our solar system, once considered a small corner of the universe, is actually a teeming neighborhood of celestial bodies, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries. From the scorching temperatures of Mercury to the frozen wastelands of Pluto, from the violent storms of Jupiter to the serene beauty of Saturn's rings, our solar system is a testament to the sheer diversity of the universe. But perhaps the most important lesson we take away from this journey is the beauty of our cosmic neighborhood. Each planet, each moon, each comet and asteroid is a work of cosmic art, sculpted by the forces of nature over billions of years. The grandeur of the solar system, with its celestial bodies dancing in harmony around the Sun, is a sight to behold, a testament to the incredible forces at work in the universe. And yet, amidst this vastness, we find our place. We, inhabitants of a small blue planet called Earth, are part of this cosmic dance. We are not mere spectators, but participants spinning around our life-giving Sun, hurtling through space at incredible speeds. So as we gaze up at the sky, let's remember this: we are not alone. We are part of something much bigger, much grander than we could have ever imagined. As we gaze up at the sky, let's remember, we are part of this incredible cosmic ballet dancing around our life-giving Sun.